Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am doing a painting on this 8x8 level 3 gallery wrapped heavy duty canvas from Artist Love. And I am doing the bloom technique, and I'm going to blow it out and then spin it. So I am loving that Boysenberry that I used the other day, the purple. And so I'm using that again. It is just gorgeous. So I did not get enough of that. So it's my primary elements. And then I'm going to add the sky blue primary elements. So I thought the bright blue and the bright purple would go good together. And then I'm using this Liquitex Basics Brilliant Purple. And we're going to do the black cell activator. So this is Amsterdam Black Oxide. So, and that's what we're going to do. I have already covered it with my pillow paint, so we are ready to go. And guys, I turn off the air conditioner because the ambient noise is so loud. But I don't know how far into the summer I'm going to make it because it is hot. And I had it running on full blast until just the second before I turned the camera on. But without it, it is hot. So I may just have to learn to yell, or maybe I could do a talk over. That's an idea. If it gets too crazy hot. Because I'm in Texas. And like the southern, like outside of Houston. So it's really hot. All right. I want to make sure I put down enough to cover at least mostly on this canvas. So it's going to be a pretty big bloom. All right. I'm going to put one more gel of blue. That way each color got 2 rings. All right, if you see any bubbles, go ahead and pop them now. It's better. There we go. It just keeps it from affecting the final result. You don't want it to go wonky on you. All right, one more. There we go. All right, so gonna put my topper down, and then I am going to try to stay in camera, but it's really hard to blow it out without getting my head in the way or without moving it out of the camera. So we will try. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can do this. So you just blow down a little bit and over the colors. So you don't want to just go straight down. One more right here. Woo, all right. Look at that. It's really dark, but it's so pretty. All right. We will let it rise up and just give it a minute or 2 or 3 minutes and we'll be back. All right. Sorry about that noise right before. I apologize, you guys. The dog was throwing up. So not a good sound on your video. So now we're going to spin it out. We have a lot of territory to cover. I hope it spins out. All right, now you're starting to see the colors. Woo! All right, I see a couple bubbles that I'm going to go ahead and pop. This is very important to do now or you will regret it later. All right, I'm going to spin out some more. Let's decide what we're doing. I love this. This is gorgeous. And this here, all the petals look so pretty. So maybe I want to tilt a little that way and then we'll be done. What do you guys think? Come on, tell me right now because I need help. Guidance. Okay, I'm on my own. Fine. So, just going to tilt it this way a bit. Now I'm gonna shift it back a little bit so that the center is in the center. And I think I see something that's in the middle. Yeah, it's a lump of something. So I just bought some new tweezers because I lost mine somehow. I think they might have gotten thrown away with, like, when I pick up the trash. I think I might have accidentally picked up the tweezers with it. So back down. All right, so let me grab those tweezers and I'll be right back. Okay, so here they are. They're shaped like that. I've found this is the best for getting stuff out of paintings without messing it up too much. At least it works for me. So you gotta bend the tongs in a little bit sometimes. There we go. All right. All right, look at that. See that lump? Do not want that in your painting. All right, looking good. So let me bring you in for a close-up. See the details. Ooh, guys, I love this one. I'm so glad I kicked out the pink and brought in the blue. Look at the details on this. So gorgeous. See the shimmer? It's shimmering so much. And the blue and the purple just meld together so good. And I love it with the black. Loving this. Woo! I think this is one of my favorites I've done in a while. So, yay! Alright guys, let me know what you think. Please, oh, thanks for watching, first of all. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.